Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll all the way down and look for location section. When you find it, tap on it and tap on this switcher at the top right corner to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!